अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Hi guys, welcome to OZiva TV. This is Vicky. Most of us know the difficulties faced due to PCOS, but losing weight while having PCOS is a difficult job to do. To overcome it, I'm going to introduce you all with a very convenient, easy, and reliable Indian diet plan to stay healthy and fit. So let's start with breakfast. For breakfast, I have papaya chia shake. It's not only going to detox your body but also improve the digestion. To make this shake, take a blender and add 1 cup of papaya. Papaya has a chemical named carotene, which helps induce period naturally and thus is beneficial for PCOS. Next, add 1 cup or 250 ml of milk. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. It's PCOS friendly and packed with fiber, omega 3, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. And in the end, I'm adding 1 scoop of OZiva nutritional meal for women. It has herbs like shatavari, brahmi, Garcinia cambogia, ginseng, green tea, etc., along with minerals and vitamins like iron, zinc, biotin, etc. One serving will provide you with 18 grams of protein, which according to me is a great start for the day. Plus, it's soy and gluten free. Now blend all well until you get a smoothie like consistency and your breakfast is ready. This shake is going to be thick, so you can slightly increase the quantity of milk if you want it to be thinner. The shake is very filling and will keep you away from hunger for 2 to 3 hours. Mid morning, that is 2 to 3 hours after breakfast, have a cup of matcha green tea. Add a scoop of Matcha Plus from OZiva in 150 ml of hot water. Stir well and it's ready to drink. Matcha Plus has 100% organic Japanese matcha powder. It also has few more products blended into it like licorice, activated charcoal, ginger, etc. This matcha blend is helpful for PCOS as it's going to reduce acne, brighten skin, reduce pigmentation and dark spots, boost metabolism, and help with weight loss. Next for lunch, I have 2 ragi rotis with a bowl of bangan ki sabzi. Ragi is gluten-free, is PCOS friendly, and packed with calcium, good carbs, and amino acids. I chose eggplant or bangan as it has a lot of fiber and is low in soluble carbs. It is rich in phenols, which controls blood sugar. Instead of bangan, you can also choose to have green beans, beetroot, spinach, broccoli, green or red peppers, etc. Make bangan the simple way you usually make with tomatoes and some spices, and don't add a high carb vegetable like potato, which people generally do. Making roti or flatbread with ragi flour is difficult, so here I'm showing a simple process on how to make it. Take a big bowl and add 1 cup of ragi flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Next add half cup of boiling water and mix well. You can use a spatula initially while the water is hot and then use your fingers to make the dough. If you see the dough to be too dry, add a bit more of water and knead until you get a smooth dough like this. Now cover the dough and let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I observed that during this resting period, the dough becomes more soft and you're able to roll the rotis easily. Now make medium-sized balls of the dough. Use ragi flour to dust them and roll into rotis with a rolling pin. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. When garlic starts to turn light brown, add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Then add half cup of chopped onion. Saute till it turns golden brown and then add cubes of an eggplant. I chose eggplant or bangan as it has a lot of fiber and is low in soluble carbs. It is rich in phenols which control blood sugar among diabetics. Also, it's easily available at all places and cooks fast. Now saute eggplant for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and Himalayan pink salt to taste. Mix all well and then add 1 chopped tomato. Sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and then cover the pan with a lid. Let them cook for 15 minutes on a medium heat. Now after 15 minutes, you can see that the eggplant is fully cooked. And now our vegetable recipe is ready. Don't add high-carb veggies like potato, which people normally add with eggplant. Try to make it simple like the way I have done. Now shift them to a bowl or a plate and have with ragi roti. Now in the evening, have 12 almonds and 10 cashews with a glass of OZiva Herb Balance. OZiva Herb Balance has been specially made to fight PCOS. It has chasteberry extract, red raspberry extract, and 7 more herbal extracts to support menstrual balance. It has vitamin B8 and chromium to improve fertility and ashoka to boost estrogen levels. It is also going to reduce bloating and help get acne-free skin. Making this drink is easy. Add 2 scoops of OZiva Herb Balance. Take 150 ml of water. Stir well, and it's done. Now let's come to the last meal of the day, which is dinner. For dinner, have 2 besan ka chilas. I made a batter for chilas with some besan, curd, water, garam masala, chopped onion, tomato, coriander leaves and green chili. Heat the tawa or pan and pour the batter with the help of a ladle. Use olive oil or ghee to make them. The chilas are filling and nutritious. Besan or gram flour has healthy unsaturated fats, is low in GI and gluten-free, thus making an ideal food for PCOS. So this is how a PCOS diet should be. And do not forget to subscribe to OZiva TV for many more amazing diet plans. Bye-bye.